Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful ECM Giotto espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a good descale. We gave it a good tune-up, a descale. We replaced the shower screen as you see right here. As you can see, it was pretty dirty. We also replaced the power switch. This one unfortunately was arcing and it actually burned some of the electronic connections. We replaced a lot of the electronic connections that you see right here, as well as a couple of cables that are connected between the thermostat as well and the pressure stat. So yeah, we made sure that the connections were not loose, that they were secure. We cleaned everything as much as we could in there, and yeah, that's all we did with the espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Let me use the hot water to kind of clean my cup, and there you go. Now we can do the espresso shot. I probably need to tamper a bit harder. As you can see, it's pretty fast, and it's definitely not gonna be it's not gonna strike all the coffee. As you see, this in here is not a good shot. We see a little bit of crema in there, but that was way too fast. I definitely need to tamper this, tamper it even harder than I did. But as you can see, the shower flow of the machine is pretty good. Nice, steady, gentle stream coming out of the group head. Steamer working perfectly fine. Takes a little bit to heat up, but once it gets in there, you have really amazing pressure. Really amazing pressure coming out of the steam one, working perfectly fine. Really good temperature, really good steam. And there you have it. ECM Giotto is working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.